When we think of papaya, we often picture the ripe orange fruit that nourishes our body from within. But what many people do not know is that the leaves of the papaya plant hold incredible healing and beauty-enhancing powers. In traditional Indian and Southeast Asian remedies, papaya leaves are valued for their enzymes, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory compounds that can rejuvenate the skin, reduce acne, lighten scars, and bring out a natural glow. Today, let us dive into the world of papaya leaf beauty rituals. In this guide, you will learn how to prepare papaya leaves at home, create different variations of masks, and apply them correctly for maximum benefits. Why papaya leaves are good for the skin. Papaya leaves contain papain and chymopapain, two powerful enzymes that break down proteins, unclog pores, and gently exfoliate dead cells. They also contain vitamin A, vitamin C, flavonoids, and phenolic compounds, which reduce oxidative stress, brighten the complexion, and support collagen production. Key benefits of papaya leaf masks: clears acne and reduces inflammation, fades scars, pigmentation, and dark spots, gently exfoliates without harsh chemicals, hydrates and nourishes dry skin, improves overall skin texture and glow. Selecting and preparing the leaves. When using papaya leaves, freshness matters. Choose young, tender leaves that are free from yellowing or dryness. Wash them thoroughly to remove dust and impurities. Step 1. Cleaning. Rinse the leaves under running water, then soak them in a bowl of water with a few drops of vinegar for 10 minutes. This ensures they are clean and safe for direct application. Step 2. Grinding. Chop the leaves into small pieces. Put them into a blender with a few tablespoons of water and grind into a smooth green paste. Strain if needed to remove fibers. This paste is your base for multiple face mask variations. Simple papaya leaf mask. Take 2 tablespoons of fresh papaya leaf paste. Apply directly on the cleansed face. Leave for 15 to 20 minutes, then wash with lukewarm water. This simple version works best for acne-prone skin, as the enzymes control excess oil and kill acne-causing bacteria. Papaya leaf and honey mask. For dry or sensitive skin, combine papaya leaf with honey. 2 tablespoons papaya leaf paste. 1 teaspoon raw honey, mix well and apply evenly. Honey adds hydration and soothes irritation, balancing the strong enzymes of papaya. Leave for 15 minutes and rinse. Papaya leaf and yogurt mask. To brighten dull skin, try a combination with yogurt. 2 tablespoons papaya leaf paste, 1 tablespoon plain yogurt. Apply the creamy mixture to the face and neck. Yogurt provides lactic acid for gentle exfoliation, while papaya enzymes refine pores. Wash off after 20 minutes for a fresh, glowing look. Papaya leaf and aloe vera mask. For sunburn or inflamed skin, blend with aloe vera gel. 2 tablespoons papaya leaf paste, 1 tablespoon fresh aloe vera gel. This mask cools, reduces redness, and restores moisture. Keep it on for 20 minutes before rinsing. Papaya leaf and turmeric mask. For pigmentation and dark spots, add a pinch of turmeric. 2 tablespoons papaya leaf paste, a pinch of turmeric powder. This combination reduces scars, lightens spots, and adds a natural glow. Apply carefully, avoiding overuse of turmeric to prevent staining. Application method. Cleanse your skin. Always start with a clean face to ensure the mask penetrates well. Apply evenly. Use your fingers or a soft brush to apply the mask across face and neck. Avoid sensitive areas. Keep away from eyes and lips, as enzymes may cause irritation. Relax and rest. Leave the mask for 15-20 minutes. Do not let it dry out completely, as it may tighten excessively. Rinse properly, wash with lukewarm water, and pat dry with a soft towel. Moisturize. Follow up with a light natural moisturizer or rose water. Frequency of use. Oily and acne-prone skin, 2 to 3 times per week. Normal skin, 1-2 times per week. Dry or sensitive skin, once per week. Consistency is important. Within 3 to 4 weeks, you should notice clearer skin, reduced breakouts, and a healthier glow. Extra tips: always do a patch test on your arm before applying the mask to your face. Some people may experience mild tingling from the enzymes. For best results, use freshly prepared paste each time. If you cannot find fresh leaves, dried papaya leaf powder, available in herbal stores, can be mixed with water to make a paste. Pairing papaya leaf masks with a healthy diet rich in fruits and hydration will enhance the glow from within. Benefits: beyond beauty. In Ayurveda and folk medicine, papaya leaves are also known for boosting immunity and detoxifying the body. Drinking papaya leaf juice is sometimes recommended for blood purification and even recovery during illness. While here we focus on skincare, it is fascinating to see how one humble leaf can serve multiple purposes for health and beauty. Conclusion: papaya leaf masks are nature's way of offering us clear, glowing, and youthful skin without chemicals or expensive products. With just a few fresh leaves and simple ingredients from your kitchen, you can create a spa-like treatment at home. From fighting acne with a plain leaf paste to soothing sunburn with aloe vera or brightening skin with yogurt, these masks are versatile and effective. Regular use not only improves skin health but also reconnects us to a slower, more natural rhythm of self-care. So, the next time you see a papaya tree, remember, its gifts are not limited to the sweet fruit. It is the green leaves that may become your new secret weapon for beauty.